Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking you through how to do a pull-through braid / mohawk look. Start by sectioning off the top layer of hair and securing with an elastic into a ponytail. Clip this out the way and move on to the next layer. Once you have 3 ponytails, tug at each section to make sure they're not too tight. Split the first ponytail and clip the second one between it. Use another elastic to secure the first ponytail to the third ponytail. Clip all of this out the way and continue to do another ponytail with the next layer of hair. Now do the same as the first section, split the second section into 2, clip the third section out the way, and then secure the second to the 5th section. Carry on this sequence until you run out of hair. When you get to your hairline, simply secure the last split section below the last ponytail. I then did one more section, but you can continue all the way down your hair depending on what look you're going for. Now, like always, have a look in the mirror and pull the braid out to make it look as thick as possible. This is quite a messy look, so tug it a little bit further than you think and it'll look perfect. Adjust any sections you need to with a few clips here and there. Finally, soften the look by pulling out a few pieces around your face. Thank you for watching, and I'd love it if you tagged me in any recreations on Instagram. Comment below what you'd like to see next.